Hello friends, welcome to our channel Anant Infinite Knowledge. Today's vocabulary based on the names of four-wheeler vehicle. Our first word is palisade, which means a strong fence made from tall posts with pointed ends. For example, the palisades that line the west bank of the Hudson River for about 15 miles. Remember this word by relating these pictures. Our next word is phantom, which means the spirit of a dead person that someone believes they can see. For example, the book is about the phantoms that are said to haunt the nation's cemeteries. Remember this word by relating these pictures. Our next word is renegade, which means someone who leaves one group and joins another that has different aims or beliefs. For example, she regaled him with stories about pirates and renegades on the high seas. Remember this word by relating these pictures. Our next word is rover, which means someone who travels around without a definite direction or purpose. Another meaning is a small vehicle used by astronauts for traveling on the surface of a planet. For example, they became rovers who departed further and further from civilization. Remember this word by relating these pictures. Our next word is sedan, which means a saloon car or a two or four door vehicle that is made to hold at least four people. For example, buying a sporty sedan instead of a minivan was a bad decision for the father of six. Remember this word by relating this picture. Our next word is stinger, which means an insect or animal that stings. Another meaning is a part of an insect or animal that holds a sting. For example, the sooner you remove the stingers, the less venom will enter your system. Remember this word by relating these pictures. Our next word is swift, which means happening quickly or immediately. For example, progress in the investigation so far has been swift. Remember this word by relating these pictures. Our next word is vantage, which means a position giving a strategic advantage, commanding perspective, or comprehensive view. For example, the vantage had all been ours for the first half of the contest. Remember this word by relating these pictures. Our next word is vision, which means the ability to think about and plan for the future using intelligence and imagination, especially in politics and business. Another meaning is the ability to see. For example, he has vision in only one eyes. Remember this word by relating these pictures. Our next word is wraith, which means a ghost. For example, the people who once lived here believed that their world was populated by wraiths and witches. Remember this word by relating these pictures. Our next word is wrangler, which means someone who trains or handles animals, also used humorously. For example, a horse wrangler. Remember this word by relating these pictures. Thank you, friends.